Hi, what's up guys? It's me Shanik Bar Advisor here. In this video, I will speak both language, English and Hindi, Urdu, so everyone can understand. Now, I will tell you in this video that how you can combine all, unlimited .vcf files, V calendar file format of the contacts into a single one. इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि आप कैसे सिंगल बना सकते हो जो कॉन्टैक्ट फाइल होती है. काफ़ी सारी होते हैं तो लोग चाहते हैं कि यार एक सिंगल फाइल बन जाए तो ईजी हो जाता है. देन यू कैन इम्पोर्ट इनटू द Gmail contacts.google.com. So it's very easy and there is no need to get online or any find solution. So that's the solution on your desktop. Only you have to do is that go to the start menu, type here cmd and hit enter. Okay, now the folder or the files you should keep on your desktop, right? Like this contacts. I have the 50 contact files. Now I want them into a single file. अब मैं चाहता हूँ कि सिंगल में हो जाए सारे, तो मैंने क्या करना है, I will select from here, like I will type cd space desktop. I will select the desktop location from cmd. Now the desktop location is already selected. Now I want to select again a folder because the folder is there also. So I want to select here cd space contacts. Now the folder is also selected, right? So only you have to do is that write this command. It's very easy. Type here copy space star, okay, dot vcf space all dot vcf, and that's it. Hit enter. Everything is done now. So you can go to your folder, click here, click modify the file size. You can see every file with the same size, 1 KB, 2 KB, maybe 3. One file should be the big one, this one, all. So this is a file and the rest you can delete. Deselect this one and select all, click delete. This is your file. As you can see, click property, 1.92 MB v calendar file .vcf. Now you can import this file to a Gmail contacts or wherever you want to import, if the software or the mobile or the website is supporting this format. अब आप इसको Gmail में कॉन्टैक्ट को अपलोड कर सकते हो. ये सारे कॉन्टैक्ट्स आपके इसी में आ गए हैं. It's very simple. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up and share it with others as well. And if you have any questions, please let me know so I can help you out. I'm going to upload a lot of more videos in the future, so stay in touch.